Hello friends, how are you all doing? Today, we're going to share a very interesting secret. For those of you who want more tips, just write in the comments section, okay? Before we continue, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, let's get straight into the discussion. How to choose the right sneakers, a detailed guide for the young and stylish. Picking the right kicks is serious business. You don't want to end up with shoes that hurt your feet or look whack. Here's the ultimate guide to copying the perfect pair: comfort, style, and all. 1. Know your purpose. Everyday wear. Go for comfy sneakers like Converse, Vans, or New Balance. Local brands like Compass or Ventella are also solid choices. Sports running, gym, basketball. Get performance shoes: Nike or Zoom for running, Adidas Ultra Boost for gym, or Jordans for balance. Fashion flex. Go for hype kicks like Yeezus, Dunks, or Balenciagas if your wallet allows. 2. Material matters. Leather: durable and classy, but needs care. Great for formalish fits. Canvas: lightweight and breathable, perfect for casual wear. Think Converse or Vapor Waffle. Mesh knit: best for running and gym shoes. Nike Flight Knit, Adidas Prime Knit, since they keep your feet cool. 3. Size right, don't guess. Never force a size just cause it looks fire. Too tight equals blisters, too loose equals awkward walking. Thumb test: press the front. There should be about a thumb's width, 1 cm of space between your longest toe and the shoe. Walk around the store to check for any discomfort before buying. 4. Cushioning and sole grip. For all-day comfort, look for Boost Adidas, Air Nike, or React Foam Super Bouncy. Grip check: if the sole looks too smooth, it's a slipping hazard, especially in rain. 5. Foot shape matters. Wide feet. Avoid narrow shoes like Vans or some Nikes. Try New Balance, they have wide options. High arches. Get shoes with good arch support: Hoka, Asics, Gel, Kayano. 6. Budget wisely. Expensive better. Some local brands, Sage, Brodo, are affordable but high quality. Splurge only if it's worth it, like for performance or long-lasting sneakers. 7. Color and design. Neutral colors: black, white, gray, easy to match with anything. Bold colors or designs: if you want to stand out, go for Jordans, Yeezus, or funky collabs. 8. Always check reviews. Before buying, watch YouTube reviews or check Reddit threads to avoid bad quality or sizing issues. Final tip: the best sneakers aren't the most expensive ones, they're the ones that make you walk with confidence. Now go out there and flex those fresh kicks. For those of you who want more tips, just write in the comments section, okay? That's all for now. See you in the next interesting tips. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye for now.